Well, I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese's. What the? Why are you here, and why is an annoying t-shirt on here? You look like a Tristan Hale CGG style.
Well, I am a style. So, I was make fake report card and grounded for the same time.
So, that's why you're spoiled brats and make fake report card, misbehaves and ruined the Thanksgiving, skip classes goes to Chuck E. Cheese's, misbehaves at the movies and grounded big time, misbehaves at Halloween and sneak out the trick-or-treat, and more so much grounded videos. That's it, you're getting cold this year.
Wah 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 wah. Caillou, thank you for ground Caillou Tristan Hale CGG style. Now, you can have some 3 presents when I want, so, you can go home. My parents will unground it forever.
Caillou, thanks for ground Caillou Tristan Hill CGG style, so, go ahead, you can open some 3 presents.
Caillou, I cannot believe you're making grounded videos and get cold this year. That's it, you're grounded for 1 month until Caillou get cancelled on PBS starts on Molly of Denali. Go to your room, now. Wah wah.